Today's video, we are going to get rid of those problem ants that you are having indoors and outdoors with no equipment needed. That's right, I'm going to make this so simple for you and get rid of ants within days. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, CraigHowToPest.com. If you've never been to this channel before, guys, and don't know what it's about, I'm going to tell you right now. This is where we highlight professional grade products and then we show you DIYers how to use them. If that's something that's of interest to you guys, hit that subscribe button down below, and these videos come out multiple times a week. Also guys, we are going to throw links up in the channel during the video, and you can direct order by punching on those links. Guys, it's YouTube shopping and it couldn't be any easier. So if you see a product you like, just hit that button. But hey, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Welcome back to the channel, CraigHowToPest.com. Man, it is hot outside.
It's so hot.
We are in the midst of summer. So what does the heat do? It brings in the bugs, and it especially brings in those ants. Now, why are those ants coming in? Because it's so hot outside. The same reason you come in, because it's so hot outside. They want cooler temperatures. The soil is being dried up. It's forcing them out of the nest and into places like your house looking for moisture and food. Well, today's product is going to wipe that out and get rid of these ants. It doesn't matter how thirsty or hungry they are. They're going to take this back to the nest and they are going to wipe out the entire colony. Guys, I am talking about Maxforce Quantum, if you can see that right there. Now, Maxforce Quantum by InView, which is formerly known as Bayer, came out with Maxforce Quantum in about 2008. It's been out a while, and a lot of people, including professionals out there, use it to this day, myself included. Let's talk about some of the features of the Maxforce Quantum. Well, you can see it's in an easy to use bottle right here, almost like a tube of caulking that you would buy at your local hardware store. So you've seen the other ones that come in what we call a clamshell. They come with the 4 syringes and then the plunger, and then you apply it. It's going to be the same type of gel. It's just this is in an easy, convenient grab and go bottle. Now, it has a screw off cap, and when you screw that off, that's where you're going to find the tip. Now, all you do to activate this and make it ready for you to use, whether it be inside your house, like I said, or outside, is you're just going to take scissors or your blade of choice, and you are going to cut down about a 1/4 of an inch down on this bottle. And that's about as big as you need to expose this. Don't go too low on it, just about a 1/4 inch down, and then make that cut. And then when you are done, you would simply just put the lid back in place. Now, I have a tip for you. I like to cover this with a little bit of cellophane, just a tiny bit, and then screw it back in place just to keep this from drying out. Now, speaking of drying out, that's what they did with Maxforce Quantum when they came up with this formulation. They said, how do we come up with a gel bait for ants that is going to hold up longer and not dry out as fast? So what they did is the formulation in here is made to absorb moisture and make this hold up for up to 3 months. So it is going to hold up a long time because it's staying moist with the configuration of how they make it, but it's absorbing the moisture from outside. I think they call it hydroscopic is the name for that, but that's basically what that means. So if you're looking for something that you need to hold out longer, especially outside, and that's generally where it's going to dry out faster, then you're going to want Maxforce Quantum. Now, how fast does Maxforce Quantum work on wiping out the ants? You should see dead ants or little to no activity within 2 to 3 days. I would say about 3 to 5 days. If this is put out right, and we'll explain where to put this in just a minute, you should be ant-free. Now, how much of this can you put out? Well, the recommendation typically for this is going to be about 2 grams per 100 linear feet. Now, that's hard to measure, so I'll give you a little example here in a minute. And let's just talk about where you can apply it. We said indoor, outdoor, right? So if you have ants on the counter, you have them down by the baseboard, you can put it there. You need to keep this away, especially in your food establishments, your restaurants. You can use it out there, and a great product to use because you know where you place it when you put it out. You have to stay away from food prep areas, anywhere that food is going to come close to coming in contact with this, it's a no bueno, it's a no-go. And you have to stay away from utensils. Now I want to touch real quick because it's coming top of my mind, stoves, microwaves, things like that. You cannot go inside microwaves. You can go on the side of microwaves. You can go on the side and behind stoves, but you got to stay away from where it gets hot. If it starts to get 140 and above, it's going to liquefy this and make it not as effective as it should be and make it run. Now, speaking of running, a lot of the gels out there are a little thicker and you can go vertical when you place them. So cabinets behind me, if you were to need to go up into like the sides of them, the inside walls where you see them trailing sometimes, you would not want to do that with Maxforce Quantum because it's going to kind of run. It's more of a liquidy gel bait. And that's why it's like that, is to stay more active and not dry out. Now, another big feature of Maxforce Quantum, you can water it down. So you could take water like so, mix in the right amount, parts per each other. Now it's on the label. I'm not going to get into the exact mixture for watering this down, but why did they do that? They wanted this for large colonies of ants. So your Pharaoh ant, your Argentine, things like that, where there's multiple colonies, multiple queens, and it's outside and you just are being overrun with them. Well, this gel bait will go a long ways when it's watered down and still be just as effective. But in most cases, you are going to leave it just the way it is in the bottle and apply it. Now, you see that I showed you it has the tip on there, and then you can go around and you can put those dots out. Now, 2 grams per 100 square linear feet. What's the easiest way to do it? Well, it's going to be about a quarter-size dot, a quarter-inch size dot. So a little smaller than like an eraser head is the amount that you're going to want to put that out. Now, if you don't want to put this directly on your countertops, you don't want to put it directly on any type of service, well, that's the great thing about Maxforce. They come from howtopest.com with 5 of these bait stations right here. And what it is, it's a bait station that allows you to put the bait into these 4 little compartments right there, and then the lid snaps shut like that, and the ants go in either the left or the right hand side, and then you would put these out like on the countertop, allow them to come in, get it, and go back. Now, I've given you an example right here of what the bait looks like and about the amount that it's going to be when you put it in. Now, to see if this is going to be effective, what you want to do is you want to take a little bit like that and you want to test it and see what kind of effect it has on your body. If you start to find yourself getting lightheaded, nauseous, and about to hit the floor, it's a fantastic bait. Guys, this is chocolate frosting. Your bait is not going to look like this. It's clear. Maxforce gel bait is a clear bait. This was an example, so it would show up better on film. And I just wasted some chocolate icing and put on a few calories. But that's what it's going to look like in these Maxforce bait stations. Now, from howtopest.com, we give you 5 of these bad boys. If you need more, when you order, you need to put it in the notes that I would like more bait stations. They're going to charge you for them, but we will give you more bait stations. Does it have to be in a bait station? No, it just makes it convenient. I've told you you can put it directly on the surface that you're having an issue and where the ants are. This just makes it an easy way that once they start eating it, they're done. You just pick it up, you toss it in the trash. Now, you're going to notice that you are going to have more activity when you put out a bait like Maxforce Quantum. We get asked that a lot. They go, Craig, why do I have more activity now? That's a good thing. You are targeting all of your little UPS drivers, your mail carriers. One of them got a little nibble, went back and told everybody else, and now they're all coming out to get some of the num-nums and take it back to the nest, and then wipe out the queen or queens and the entire colony. It is a delayed reaction. It's not like spraying a can of Raid and just killing what you see. You do not want that. You will only kill what you see and not take care of your problem. You need this stuff to go back to the nest and wipe out everybody once and for all. It's called trophylactis, trophylactis, whatever. Okay, I don't pronounce these words right because I'm not that smart, but it's just a way of saying they share the food. They take it in, they take it back, they regurgitate, and they wipe each other out. And that's why it takes that 2 to 3 to 5 days to get total colony elimination. Now, the bigger the colony, the longer it might take. As far as putting out Maxforce Quantum, I've given you the amounts, but how often do you reapply? as long as you have the issue. You need to monitor after a day or so and see if they've consumed so much of it, there's nothing left or a very little amount left, and you need to reapply. Once you're done reapplying that, you're done with the ant situation, you can toss your trays in the trash, you can clean up the ant gel that you put on whatever surface it may be, and just, you're good to go. You're ant free. You don't need to keep putting this out. Now, let's talk about outside for a minute. You can put this where you're getting the ants outside. You can put it in tree hollows. You can put it around stumps of bushes, in the mulch areas. But understand this, a bait station might be a better option if the elements are going to come into play, because it's going to wash away or the sunlight's going to beat on it and it's just not going to last as long. So you got to be aware of that. Most important thing you need to be aware of also when you use any type of bait or pesticide are pets and children and non-target animals. So you need to put this where they're not going to get into it. Now, is it such a small amount that you put it inside a tree hollow and something else got in there and got a little bit? It's not going to do anything, okay? It's not enough. It's large amounts, but you still need to do your due diligence and be cautious of that. Inside is going to be the same thing. Pets, children, you got to keep them away. If you can't, then you don't want to put it there. Behind refrigerators is going to be a good idea for Maxforce Quantum. Behind things where the ants are coming out of, like under your sink, where the pipes lead into the house. We're talking, like I said, the microwaves, dishwashers are another big one. You have to see where they're coming in and then give them the food in that area to allow them to take it back. The most important thing is you need to seal the holes up so you don't continue to have the problem. Where lines are fed into the house, cable lines, they'll feed off of tree branches that come onto the roof and then from the attic into the walls and down. Now, can you put this in electrical outlets? Yes, you can. You just got to put it on the side. So if you wanted to pop the plate cover off and put a little dot on the left or right hand side of the junction box in there, light switch box, you can do that. Be careful, it's electricity, okay? Just, stay away from it. But you can put that in there because you're not putting a liquid directly onto electricity, and us with common sense know that you cannot put water around electricity. Am I right? Common sense. Okay. Maxforce Quantum, I told you it holds up for 3 months. I told you it's about 2 grams per 100 linear feet. It's a little less for the outside. I can't remember exactly what it is. There's too many numbers for my small little head to remember, but it is on the label. Guys, an easy way to read that label is to go over to howtopest.com and punch in that search bar, Maxforce Quantum. The product will pop up. You can scroll down about halfway on the right-hand side. You will see product label. Hit that. It will blow the label up and you can continue to magnify that as big as you need be to read it. But that is it on Maxforce Quantum. Just a great alternative bait that is made to hold up longer and not dry out on you for those big infestations out there. Most of your ant situations out there, your gel baits are going to hold up in general for the most part anyways. This is just solving a problem that a lot of people had. It is imidacloprid. If you guys don't know that, that is the pesticide in here that wipes the ants out. Like I told you, it's a slow release, but imidacloprid is a non-repellent. What does that mean? They don't know it's there. They just see food. So they're not trying to get away from it. They see food, they grab, they take, they share, they die. That's how Maxforce Quantum works. If you guys have any questions out there, shoot them in that comment section down below. If I say something that does not agree with that label, remember, label is king, guys, and the label will tell you a lot of stuff that I'm not sharing with you right now. I think I did mention in the beginning, all the ants this takes care of, pretty much your Pharaoh, your Argentine, acrobat, crazy, and so on and so on. It does not take care of carpenter, harvester, or fire ants. If you need a great bait for that, we have that at howtopest.com. Just go in that search bar and punch in whichever one of those ants you're dealing with. It will give you all the products that we have. If you need any help or recommendations, we're happy to do that. Appreciate the thumbs up, man. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. If you have not subscribed, do us a favor, hit that subscribe button. Guys, we go live on Fridays at 5 o'clock PDT time. We will be on location in Tennessee this week. So join us at 5 o'clock. Ask your pest control questions. Let's help each other out and figure out what's going on with your pest. Craig, howtopest.com.